We're going to talk today about elder law as an opportunity for you to be able to add to your practice or to enhance your practice. Dorothy was born in America. Sam was born in Yekaterinoslav, Russia. And he came over to the United States when he was 6 years old, worked hard selling furniture and shoes. He saved and saved and saved for retirement. And they both retired. And Sam got sick, as people do. And his dementia progressed. Dorothy started to get afraid. And on top of that, she was worried about the money because money buys care, and she didn't see a way clear. If they follow the path that the long-term care industry has set up, they'll spend down everything very quickly. So as the baby boomers come of age, the need for advocates has increased tremendously. And with aging comes physical and or mental incapacity, as we see with Sam. I always feel like what I do as an elder law attorney is about quality of life, making people's lives better. And, like Sam and Dorothy is really upset. And when she comes into the office, you can see it. But when they leave that office, the difference in the posture is one of the ways we govern or measure success of that initial consultation. It's one of the things that gives me the greatest pleasure, because this is what we address. The healthcare system frustrations, doctors not returning calls, the problems at the nursing homes, etc., loss of health and functioning, loss of personhood. Dementia is so prevalent. Family caregiving. Nobody trains you on how to caregive for a loved one. Money for now. They're worried about what's going on right now when they come to you, and money for the family for the future. Maybe Sam and Dorothy have a child who's dependent on them or somebody with disability. So let's start off with what I mean by core practice areas. And by this, I mean those areas that you've got to know in order to open your doors. And you can refer the other stuff out until you master it and get it down. Estate planning is obviously an important part of elder law. Traditional estate planning also looks at incapacity too, but elder law attorneys focus on that. Incapacity planning means not only dealing with planning ahead for what should happen if I lose my marbles and I'm not able to act anymore, but how we appoint our fiduciaries in a different way than in traditional estate planning. Public benefits are a central part of elder law. Long-term care asset protection planning is using the rules and laws within the Medicaid program and the VA benefits and sometimes other programs to set everything up so that with full disclosure to the government, we're able to take essentially countable assets, make them non-countable, or make transfers in a way that's advantageous to Sam and Dorothy and other of our clients. That value proposition is profound. Being able to protect that money, you're saving them thousands and thousands and thousands every month. We have clients that often come to us at time of crisis. And these are folks that are already hemorrhaging money. They're scared. They've already dealt with a diagnosis that has come that is changing their lives. They're very motivated to get help. Again, there are no other professionals that are lined up to do this, and certainly no other professionals who have the ethics and the training of a lawyer. Special needs and elder law attorneys can therefore give individuals and families a sense of control when things are really feeling like they're spinning out of control. And you can better ensure a higher quality of care. And again, that goes right to quality of life. You're also a recipient of quality of life. Maybe if you think back to why you went to law school, you were like me, and you went to law school with some idealism. I went to law school and ultimately I did well. I took the highest paying job I could get. I got caught in that whole competition and, got the big signing bonus and fancy office overlooking Tampa Bay, and I watched the cruise ships go in and out. It was really nice. But I met one human being client the entire time I was there. It wasn't for me. Knowing you are helping people with some of the most core human issues possible is very rewarding. I have less stress in my daily work than I did with that large litigation firm. I have the ability to control my work-life balance. I decide my calendar. I'm able to make enough money where I can decide, which cases I want and don't want. And I have financial independence while doing all of the above, while giving quality of life. As my dad would say to me, it's about doing well by doing good.